Okay, so looking at compound interest, things that we need to know is that our interest is at a rate of 1.14. So our percentage, if it were a decimal, is going to be 0.0114. So to be able to calculate our interest, we are going to need to go with 2831.92 and then times that by 0.0114, which gives us interest, which is £32.28. Sensible rounding given that it's money. And then our final amount is that going to be added onto this. It's sensible to look at your previous interest and just double check that it's a little bit more. So if we add that onto our 2831.92, we get our final amount of 2864.20. So whatever we finish our final amount with, we start the next section with. So 2864.20, and that we are then going to have to times by 0.0114 to work out the interest. So 2864.2 times by 0.0114. So we're on 32.65, and then we can add that to our 2864.2 to get our final bit. So 2896.85, which is the same as we start the next bit with because nothing has changed. And then we're going to have to work out our interest again. So 2.96.85 times by 0.0114 gives us an interest of 33.02. Then we can add that on to our 2896.85. And we come out at 2929.87. Okay, so to get from this one to this one, we were timesing by our decimal. So on each row, we are being asked here for cell C2. So that is this one here. So when we're calculating this, we use what is written here and times by the decimal multiplier. So we're looking at B2 times by 0.0114, which means it can't be this decimal, it can't be this decimal, it's not a divide, and so the other way that we could do it is effectively writing it as a percentage, so 1.114 out of 100. So this one is going to be our correct formula.